Depending on the type of filtration system you have. So if you have a DE filter, then that could point to, say, a tear in one of the grids or something not lined up correctly that's allowing dirt to bypass. If you have a cartridge filter, I see this especially with a lot of the smaller filters where it's just one of them. Over time they get crushed down where they don't quite stand up straight, and the middle tower that it sits in leaves a gap at the top where a lot of dirt can kind of shoot through. If it's a sand filter, then depending on how old the sand is, I would want to know if if it's really old, then you could have channeling going through where a lot of the water isn't quite getting caught by the sand. The other thing is with DE and sand filters, you also work with a multi-port valve. More often than not, you could have a slide valve or something else. But with the multi-port valve, the question is it has what's called a spider gasket in there, and if that gets worn down, then it gives smaller debris the opportunity to bypass it and just go right on through the heater or anything else in your system and right on back to the pool. So I would it really depends on your type of filtration. So if you have a multi-port type setup, then I would start with looking at that. If it's a cartridge, take a look at that and see how beat up it is.